God has prepared a path for everyone to follow. You just have to read that omens that He left for you. The boy knew that in money there was a magic. Whoever has money is never really alone. When you really want something, the universe always conspires in your favor. I am like someone else. I see the world in terms of what I would like to see happen, not what actually does. There must be a language that doesn't depend on words. I can learn to understand this language without words. I can learn to understand the world. In the end, all things are one. It is called the principle of favorability or the beginner's luck because life wants you to achieve your destiny. People need not fear the unknown if they are capable of achieving what they need and want. Our life stories and history of the world written by the same hand. When you want something with all your heart, that is when you closest to the soul of the world. It is always positive force. Life will be party for you, a grand festival, because life is the moment we are living right now. People become fascinated with pictures and words and wind up forgetting the language of world. Whatever thing observed, one could find connection with his experience of the moment. If good things are coming, they will be surprised. If bad things are, and you know in advance, you will suffer greatly before they even occur. The future belongs to God, and it is only He who reveals it under extraordinary circumstances. The secret is here, in the present. It's not what enters man's mouth that is revealed, it is what comes out of their mouth that is. And she already has her treasure, it is you. Now she expects that you will find what it is you are looking for. One is loved because one is loved. No reason is needed for loving. Everything is written in the soul of the world, and there it will stay forever. There is only one way to learn. It is through action. Everything you need to know, you have learned through your journey. They are seeking their treasure or their destiny without wanting actually to live out the destiny. Listen to your heart. It knows all things because it comes from the soul of the world and it will one day return there. You will never be able to escape from your heart. So it is better to listen to what it has to say that way. You will never have to fear an unanticipated blow. Fear of suffering is worse than suffering itself. No heart has ever suffered when it goes in search of dreams, because every second of the search is a second's encounter with God and with eternity. Before a dream is realized, the soul of the world tastes everything that was learnt along the way. When something evolves, everything around that thing evolves as well. If a person is living out his destiny, he knows everything he needs to know. Usually, the threat of death makes people a lot more aware of their lives. When you are loved, You can do anything in creation. When you are loved, there is no need at all to understand what's happening because everything happens within you. When we strive to become better than we are, everything around us becomes better too. Everything that happens once can never happen again, but everything that happens twice will surely happen a third time. Silent voice of God that leads me to the places where I should be. Love is the force that transforms and improves the soul of the world. The book is a film that takes place in the mind of the reader. When we love, we always strive to become better than we are. By my side, sitting in the chair right in front of me, I see a date as a beautiful woman.